How much should you actually spend on a dual monitor arm desk mount? You see cheap options and pricier ones, but which is actually worth your money? It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, HUANUO Dual Monitor Stand. Let's kick things off with the HUANUO Dual Monitor Stand. Priced at $69.99, this one caught my eye because it's a bestseller with over 34,000 reviews. If you want to elevate your monitors and optimize your workspace, this is worth a serious look. The first thing that strikes you is its sleek white design, which not only looks good but also feels sturdy thanks to its alloy steel build. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With the ability to hold monitors ranging from 13 to 32 inches and weights up to 19.8 pounds, it accommodates a variety of setups. The pneumatic spring arm allows you to adjust your monitors smoothly, which means no more struggling with stiff brackets. This setup can improve your posture by raising monitors to eye level, relieving neck strain, definitely a plus during long hours of work. Now, some people complained about installation being a bit tricky. Here's the thing though, once you get through it, the stability and adjustability of this mount really shine. If you're willing to invest a little effort up front, the long-term benefits are worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and ergonomic solution for your dual monitor setup. Skip this one if you have heavier monitors beyond the weight limit. For the price, you're getting solid value and a clean workspace. Now, if the installation challenge bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, HUANUO Flow Lift TM Dual Monitor Stand. Next up is the HUANUO Flow Lift TM Dual Monitor Stand, priced at $59.99. It also boasts a stellar rating with over 34,000 reviews. If you want a fully adjustable option for your gaming or work needs, this one deserves your attention. Here's why this matters for you. This mount can hold monitors from 13 to 32 inches and weights up to 19.8 pounds each. The dual C-clamp design ensures your monitors won't wobble while you type or game, giving you peace of mind. Plus, the full motion adjustment allows for a wide range of positions, so whether you're coding or watching videos, you can easily change angles without hassle. However, some users mention that it's not compatible with certain desk types, particularly plastic or glass. But if you have a sturdy wooden desk, this shouldn't be an issue. Overall, the setup is quite easy once you find a suitable desk. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and adjustable stand for both work and gaming. Skip this if you have a non-wooden desk. You're getting a great deal for the functionality it offers. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those on a budget. Product number 3, Mount Pro Dual Monitor Arm. Coming in at just $33.99, we have the Mount Pro Dual Monitor Arm. With a rating of 4.5 stars from around 1,200 reviews, it's a budget-friendly option worth considering. If you're looking for an affordable way to free up desk space, this is a fantastic option. Here's why this matters. This mount supports monitors from 13 to 32 inches and can hold up to 22 pounds per screen. You can tilt, swivel, and rotate your monitors to achieve the perfect viewing angle with ease. The ergonomic design lets you adjust the height up to 17.3 inches, which is great for improving your posture while working. And let's be honest, who doesn't appreciate more desk space? Now, some users reported that it can feel a bit flimsy when fully extended. But here's the thing, for lighter monitors and casual use, it holds up just fine and is a steal at this price. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an economical solution to declutter your desk. Skip this if you have heavier monitors or plan to push the limits of its weight capacity. You're getting excellent value for a functional setup. Now, if the weight capacity was a concern, the next option might fit the bill better. Product number 4, BONTEC Dual Monitor Desk Mount. Next, we have the BONTEC Dual Monitor Desk Mount, retailing for $26.99. With a whopping 37,700 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, this one is hard to ignore. If you want a reliable and budget-friendly option, this is definitely worth considering. The sturdy black metal construction immediately gives off a sense of durability and reliability. Here's why this matters. It accommodates screens from 13 to 27 inches, allowing for a maximum weight of 22 pounds per arm. The full-motion design lets you tilt, swivel, and rotate your monitors for the best viewing angles, making it ideal for multitasking or gaming. Plus, the extension of up to 16.5 inches means you can customize your setup easily to avoid neck strain. Some users did mention that the installation could be confusing at first. But honestly, once you get through the setup, the flexibility and stability make it worth it. Plus, with clear instructions, you won't be left in the dark. This is perfect for you if you're a multitasker or gamer on a budget. Skip this if you need to support larger screens beyond 27 inches. For the price, it's an excellent deal for the quality and functionality. Now, moving on to our last product, which offers a bit more versatility. Product number 5, Mount Pro White Dual Monitor Arm. Last but not least, we have another great option from Mount Pro, priced at $45.99. This white dual monitor arm has a rating of 4.5 stars from 1,200 reviews, and it's a stylish choice for your workspace. If you want a clean and modern look while maintaining functionality, this is definitely worth a look. Its aluminum build not only looks appealing, but is also quite sturdy. Here's why this matters. Just like its black counterpart, it supports monitors from 13 to 32 inches and holds up to 22 pounds. You get full motion adjustment with plenty of tilting and rotating options to find your ideal angle. It also maximizes your desk space by lifting your monitors off the surface, providing a clutter-free work environment. Now, some users noted that the assembly could be a bit challenging. But honestly, if you take your time to follow the instructions, it's manageable and the end result is a clean, functional setup. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish yet functional option for your dual monitors. Skip this if you're looking for something that doesn't require a bit of assembly. For the price, it offers fantastic value for both aesthetics and functionality. So there you have it. We've covered 5 great dual monitor arm desk mounts. The HUANUO dual monitor stand for style and function, the HUANUO Flow Lift TM for gaming, the budget-friendly Mount Pro dual monitor arm, the reliable BONTEC, and finally the Mount Pro White for a modern touch. No matter your needs or budget, there's something here for everyone.